Hello everyone, dear students. Today we are going to start with a new topic, and our topic is tenses. See, this is a very important thing in our day-to-day life. To form sentences, we need the proper sense of tenses. Now, what is the tense? The word tense is derived from the Latin word tempus, which means time. Tense is the form in which a verb is used to express when an action is, was, or will be performed. It tells us when an action was carried out, is carried out, or will be carried out. The time could be in the past, present, or future. Now we come to the types of tenses. There are three types of tenses. First is present, second is past, third is future. Okay. Now again, if we see what is present tense, the present tense refers to the action that are happening at the time of speaking. Present tense matlab an action which is happening at the time of speaking. Clear? Now again, present tense is of four types. You can see here present tense. Simple present, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Now we are going to study in detail all the four forms of the simple present tense. Come to the first one. First is simple present tense. Now see, we use the first form of the verb. It is used for activities which happens daily. Try to understand where the simple present tense is used. Pay attention. To express an event taking place at the present moment, right now, like I live in Ujjain. Present. Ram reads in 10th class. Here comes the postman. All these actions are taking place at this time. See few more examples. They sing song, we sing song, I sing song, he sings song. Clear? All these actions are taking place in the simple present tense. At the same time, if I say in the simple present tense, general truth or the permanent truth, right? Like the earth moves around the sun. The earth moves around the sun. This is a general truth. So it is always used in the present tense. Honesty is the best policy. It will be always in the present tense because it is a universal truth. Am I clear? Universal truth. Again, I come to one more thing to express our daily routine or a daily habit. Like every day in the morning, you do your what? Breakfast. You do your prayer. You go to school. So the action which is repeated every day at the same time, that is also presented in the simple present tense. I get up at 6 o'clock every day. I get up. So why I am using get up? Because this action is repeated in our routine habit. Clear? Every Friday I go to church. I go to church. Why I say go? Because I am going at every fixed interval of time, that is every Friday. Now we come to present continuous tense. See continuous, जहाँ पर वर्ड आता है कंटिन्यूस, कंटिन्यूस का मतलब क्या होता है? सलंग, लगातार, विदाउट अ ब्रेक. सो एज सून एज द वर्ड कम्स कंटिन्यूस, always remember verb first form, that is the basic form of the verb or the simple present tense plus ing will be used. Am I clear? The structure of the sentence, how the structure of the sentence will be: subject plus is or am or are plus verb plus ing form of the verb plus object. This will be the structure of the sentence. See here, if you see the example, they are singing song. They is subject, is am or are. They plural है तो they will take are. Singing, sing is the first form of the verb plus ing, singing, song, object. This is the structure of our sentence. Clear? So what is present continuous tense now? To express an action which is going on at the time of speaking. हम जब बात कर रहे हैं उसी समय वो एक्शन चल रहा है. Clear? So an action which is going on at the time of speaking. Like Sudha is reading a novel now. I am doing my homework. I am writing a letter. Rita is reading a book. In all these places, an action is going on right now. So this is our second part, that is present continuous tense. Now we can come to the third form of the simple present tense, third part, that is present perfect tense. Okay, our third form is present perfect tense. Where is present perfect tense used? Present perfect tense is used to express an action that started in the past and impact of that event is now continuing. Clear? Something which started in the past. Here we can also say in a way to express an action which began in the past. Clear? And express an action which began in the past. मतलब थोड़ी देर पहले past में जहाँ भी वो शुरू हुआ है. Right now it got completed. See, listen carefully. I said two things. Either it got completed or the impact is there, which is continuing right now. There, present perfect tense is used. Clear? This tense is used to express actions completed recent past. Now we see example. Just read the example. Has lived. She has lived here all her life. She is the subject. Subject plus has or have plus we, third form, means past participle, third form of the verb plus object. Next example. They have written 3 letters already. They plus have plus third form of the verb write, wrote, written plus 3 letters already, that is object. I have worked here since I graduated school. He has finished his homework. Again I repeat, present perfect tense. An action which began in the past, which has just completed right now. An action which has just completed right now. Yeah, the action that started somewhere in the past and the impact of the action is still continuing. Clear? So that is impact. We have lived here for 10 years. Means we started living here for the last 10 years and still we are living. Impact is still there. Now we come to the fourth form of the verb tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. This is the fourth part of the tense, that is simple present tense का fourth part है ये. Am I clear? Tenses are of 3 types: present tense, past tense, future tense. But now here we are talking about present tense and its 4 forms. First one was simple present tense. Second is present continuous. Third is present perfect. Fourth is present perfect continuous. Again that word came continuous. Means something is going on without a break. Without anything like continuous. जब हम बोलते हैं ना I am walking continuously. मतलब बिना रुके. Am I clear? So again when it comes to continuous, एक part हमारे दिमाग में clear होता है verb, first form of the verb plus ing. In our sentence there will be verb plus ing. Now what is present perfect continuous? We use present perfect continuous for an action that is repeated over a period of time or an action which began in the past but is still continuing. देखो एग्जाम्पल समझो हिंदी में छोटा सा. मैम सुबह से बारिश हो रही है. So in English if I want to convert this sentence, what I will say? It has been raining since morning. It is the subject. Has or have depends on the subject. Plus being plus verb plus ing plus object. Clear? So it has been raining since morning. An action which began in the past but is still continuing. Okay, now with this our simple present tense is over. Clear? With this our simple present tense. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के हमारे 4 फॉर्म्स हो गए प्रेजेंट टेंस के. फर्स्ट इज सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, कंटिन्यूअस, present perfect, and the fourth one is present perfect continuous.